The University of Minnesota has a new football coach, and it's the former head man at Western Michigan, PJ Fleck. To break it down, we welcome in Tom Fornelli, CBS Sports college football writer. Tom, how do we like this hire, PJ Fleck to Minnesota?
I think, honestly, considering the situation where Minnesota fired their former head coach, Tracy Claeys, earlier this week, I don't know how they make a bigger splash than hiring PJ Fleck. I don't know who else out there is a bigger name that would have taken the job. PJ Fleck did a wonderful job at Western Michigan, taking over a program that was very much going the wrong direction. Went 1-11 in his first season there, and now 4 years later, Western Michigan went 13-0 in the regular season, was selected for the Cotton Bowl, where it lost to Wisconsin earlier this week.
Tom, the Big Ten, arguably the best conference in all of college football this season. Do you think that PJ Fleck can turn the Gophers into an annual contender alongside teams like Michigan and Ohio State?
I don't know if he can get them that high, but the one thing I think that stands out more than anything is right now, as Minnesota makes this hire, Minnesota's recruiting class is ranked 67th nationally in the country, which is 4 spots behind the recruiting class that PJ Fleck has right now at Western Michigan. So I think the hope here is that Fleck will be able to bring his recruiting prowess to Minnesota, and that would increase Minnesota's chances to compete in the Big Ten on the yearly basis.
For more on this breaking story, PJ Fleck, the new head football coach at Minnesota, and all things college football. Keep it locked here, CBS Sports.